Sophie? What, Teddy? We'll put up your tree next. Shh, we'll put up your tree next. Oh, Sophie, good job. What did you do? Yeah. What are you doing, Soph? What are you going to do with the star?
Don't think of it as that. Think of it as maybe the soil of some great past civilization.
Mommy, we got to get my toys to open.
Instead of the imagination. Maybe carrying soil.
Here's some, Sophie.
Toys and apples. Mommy, it's the toys and apples. Mommy, it's apples.
Look at yourself.
I think the apples is
She's watching Charlie Brown.
Mommy, it's apples.
Yeah, I got to put them on the tree.
Put them on the tree.
Okay, we got that
Good grief. He has the nicest sense of humor.